isang oras, 2 oras sa loob ng banyo. Kung gano'n pa naman yung upuan mo eh. Saka ano pala, alam mo kung bakit nakakakaba rin yung the first take? Kasi ang dami nating ginawa before tayo mag-first take. Bukod sa the first take, marami pa tayong things. Tapos may contents. Tapos nag-concert tayo before that. So medyo kabado rin tayo lang kasi syempre yung mga boses natin, hindi natin alam kung condition talaga. Ikaw ba naman mag-concert ka, kanta-kanta ka before, diba? Isang buong concert yun, hindi lang kanta rin yun.
Yun nga yung pinaka nakakatakot sa mga ganyan. Kasi syempre, hindi tayo sigurado nun kung kaya ba natin yung makapag-adjust tayo sa weather, sa ano, sa pagod. Walang tulugan yung time na yun eh. Tapos
Pero
ini-look
sa,
forward pa natin yung ano, yung paggala eh. Kaya talagang hindi tayo nagpapahinga eh.
oo, talaga. Oo, totoo. Minsan lang punta ng Japan eh. Pero sana magustuhan nila yung performance kasi okay naman.
Kaya yun, masaya. Sana, sana.
Waiting ako,
Kabado eh,
Be.
no?
Sabi, next na daw yung Coachella, oh. Let's go.
Pag kami Coachella ba, pwede ang coach doon?
Ano daw?
Wala.
Naglag, pre. Hindi ko nakadinig.
Okay na
Naglag.
yun. Maigi na yung ano.
Gustuhan daw nila. Abangan niya ha, sa YouTube. 9 p.m. malapit na. 9:41 no. Legit.
Malabo daw ako.
Malapit. Ay, malabo ka pala eh. Hindi ka kasi connected sa wifi. Dito sa OneSafe office, ang bilis ng wifi eh.
Buti na lang naglalag. Ano buti na lang ba naglag? Bakit kayo natutuwa?
Sandok. Ha, 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 ha. Ano ba mga experience natin sa Japan? Pero one of my favorite countries yung Japan eh. After ba na first day, kasunod na ba yung ganap nyo sa 1 Million Dance Studio? Isang araw lang ba yun?
Ibang ba
Hindi
tayo?
ba yun? Oo nga pala, sa Korea pala yung 1 Million Studio. Bano? Hindi. Akala ko na sa Japan pala yun.
Asan
Pero
po yung tatlo?
hindi ko mapaliwanag yung ano. Hindi ko mapaliwanag yung experience eh. Kasi, ayun, gusto ko lang din i-commend yung yung system nila doon sa Japan, sa the first day. Kasi, sobrang, tawag dyan, sobrang systematic nung paggalaw natin doon, di ba? Parang, tatawagin tayo, bago tayo pumasok, bago kumanta, tapos pipicturean, tapos talagang bilang lang yung shots, tapos may posing na kayo. So, parang, walang hassle. Dire-diretso lang yung gagawin nyo. Pero, kinabahan pa rin kami kasi yun naman yung highlight nung ganap dun sa the first take, yung performance. Wala, nawala si Josh, naglalag.
Nandito pa ako.
Ayun. Nagla-load ka, nagsisircle-circle.
Ay,
Anyway. Ayun pala,
ganun.
bukod sa the first take. Ah, ini-invite ko rin kayo bumoto pa sa Kids Choice Awards. Kids Choice Award. Award. Daming awards. Ayan. Vote for SB19. Let's go! Abangan
Let's
niyo yan
go.
ha. 8:43 na. 12
Konti
minutes ay.
na lang.
17
Nandang loud
minutes pa.
po.
Akala ko mag-ikot.
Nagkakahoy daw.
Oo nga eh. May nakita ko na nagre-request na sana daw. Huwag mong ikunot ang iyong noo yung kinanta natin ng ano.
Abay,
Malup.
sige.
Eh!
Sa, sana, ano na lang, pinatay nyo na lang ako.
Tapos, nandun yung yung sumulat no nga. Huwag mo ikunot. Yung original singer.
Guys, kaya ako lag kasi nasa parking lot ako. Kaya no, nasa parking lot kaharap ko pa oh. Kaya medyo mahina ang internet natin.
Alam nyo ba kung bakit malabo si Josh? Ay, hindi.
Ano naman yan?
Hindi, may nabasa lang ako comment, may nag-chat sa akin eh.
Ano sabi?
Di ka ba sinasabihan? Kaya ka daw
Hindi
malabo.
eh.
Kasi nga, the first take.
Ha?
Josh, matutulog
Shit.
na ako pang nag-hi ka sa akin. Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Matutulog? Aga pa.
Josh, isa mo.
Sleep is for the weak.
Parang ganap ka daw, Josh. Kaya ka malabo ngayon.
Wala kaya talaga, oh. Hindi
Nabasa ko
kasi
lang
ganun talaga,
sa
syempre.
comments. Sa
Kailangan pag
comments.
nasa Japan tayo, nandun tayo sa tema ng Japan, di ba?
Guys ha,
Okay ba yan, guys?
PM ha. Ay, better. Okay. May nagsabi sa akin, better if in English daw. Asnin. Okay. Hello guys. Naku, pag English to, wala na magsasalita. Anyway.
Dalawa na lang tayo, eh, no?
For everyone who's
Sinihirapan niyo po kami, ah.
for everyone who's watching this live right now, you can check out our content the first steak at 9 p.m. You can check their social media account on YouTube. You can watch your performance. Gento. SB19, let's go! And before we even perform during the first take, before we perform our song Gento, um, we were having a banter. And ano yan? Bakit naglalag? Ano ba yung sasabihin ko na wala tuloy ako sasabihin ko eh. Ba't kasi English? Pero for all our fans, like from different parts of the world, please join us. Wait for the upload or our performance on the first take. Nasa
Tara na, guys. Dito sa baba. Inaantay ko na kayo.
ano yung tuloy? Wala lang akong masabi. Anger. Ay, just magsalita ka daw. English, English.
Hello, everyone. My name is Josh. So tonight, yeah, like what Pablo said, we're gonna be premiering the first take. It's called the first take because it is the first take.
Legit.
I don't have anything to
100%.
say. Come here, down here. It's hot
Also,
here.
as we are waiting for the premiere of the first take performance of SB19, you can vote us on Kids Choice Awards. We're SB19 from the Philippines. Let's go. The first
Ganito yung
take.
magiging itsura nyo kapag tumatawa kayo sa mga hindi dapat tinatawanan ng mga content sa TikTok tsaka sa Instagram.
Wala akong
Sama-sama na
makita.
tayo dito.
Ayun, guys. Also, if you have time and you visited Japan, go to Team Labs. It was a nice place. It's full of amazing what do you call those? Setup. Siguro one of my favorites dun sa Team Labs was um yung the play of lights, and we even danced Moonlight there. So yeah, go and check it out. Go visit Team Labs. Ayo.
Pamilya lahat eh.
Your place is fine.
Yeah,
We only have
yeah,
10 minutes before the premiere of SB19's Gento on the first take. So,
yeah.
ready your
Hell yeah.
devices. Ready your
Yeah, that's
devices.
right.
Huh?
I think my voice is delayed, isn't it?
Someone said that the reason why I'm talkative right now is because of my mole. You do believe in that, bro? When kuya punta dito UK, please? I don't know. No. One song lang po. One song lang po? Well, one song lang ba yun? That's the first thing.
I don't know.
Well, if you watch, if you visit their channel on YouTube, um, usually artists perform there singing one song only. Oh, ano ba yun? It's, but SB19 sang Gento. Yes. What the- Oh, no! Ano po isa-search?
So
What should I search on YouTube? Of course, the first take.
the first take, my idol.
Just search for the first take. And maybe when the video is up already, you will see uh, the video on their channel. So go ahead, visit the channel now.
Yes, and share it, guys. Share it.
Share it to your friends.
It's another milestone, and I think yeah, we're very proud of that moment. We're very excited during that time, and I hope we get another chance or maybe other chances to perform in other, those kinds of similar events and platforms.
Of course, thank you to Sony for um, supporting us. Ay, masarap kahit sunog. Boss. Guys, only 8 minutes left. Make sure your devices are all ready to watch our performance on the first take. Pablo, pansinin mo ko. I don't want to, bro. Ang sarap pala sa feeling mabasa comment ko. Haha, thank you. Ang hirap naman kapag ano, ay pag nagliliyab si
Malinaw ba
Josh.
ako? Malinaw ba ako? Or delay yung boses ko?
We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much. We are so proud of ourselves as well. But, but thank you all so much for your support. Like this opportunity won't be possible if it weren't for all of you guys. We are here right now. It's all because of you. Pakisabi kay Ken, hintayin ko po siya dito sa Sorsogon. Paano siya pupunta dyan? Hindi niya alam. Malabo ka daw. Ba't nandyan si Mephisto? I don't know.
Malabo pa rin ba? Malabo?
Oh,
Sayang.
Pablo. I don't wanna wait.
Mga 5G naman
Yung
dito.
Gento Remix nagte-trending sa TikTok now. What? Ano yun? Gento Remix.
Yung ata yun yung
Guys,
yung pinerform natin sa pagtatag.
5 minutes left. Come on. Kailan balik nyo
Share it,
Japan?
share it.
Oh, when we'll be coming back to Japan? Ah, how I wish could go back right now. At this very moment. I don't wanna wait.
Wala na. Hindi na sa akin nag-load yung mga comments. I'm so sad. I couldn't even read your comments, guys.
Should we end our live? Josh, nahihilo. Pablo, mamansin ka po. Huwag nyo end live para live reacts. What? I'm only using my phone. Then I wouldn't be
Yeah,
able to watch the first take if I'm doing live right now.
it's
Pablo,
gonna be
saan ka na
hard.
excited? Tanggapin na lang natin sa Pinas tayo guys, malabo talaga. For sure
Okay
naman,
lang malabo. Basta tayo malinaw.
for sure 18 will like our performance. Malinaw daw. Hello, good morning. What else to say? Um, yeah, we're just happy now we're able to perform to the first take. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity. So
Yes. And of
happy.
course, if you're new to this live, if you haven't actually get to watch the start of this live, we're discussing about the first take, and I hope you guys check it out on YouTube. It's gonna be out now at 9 p.m. Philippine time, and of course, we've put so much effort, and of course, we are very proud and excited about the output. So I hope you guys share it, watch it, and enjoy.
Yes, that's right. Again, we're SB19 from the Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, you make us Filipinos proud. Thank you so much. I mean, malabo man si Josh, malinaw naman pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Alright.
Hindi na sa akin naglo-load yung comments. I'm so sad, bro.
So
Wala.
in 4 minutes. So for those who's watching this live right now, there's only 4 minutes left before the premiere of our performance on the first take. 3 minutes. So if you don't know the exact time in your country, there's only 3 minutes left before it will be live on the first takes channel. So go ahead and check it out. Search the first take on YouTube. SB19 Gento. Bye-bye. 3 minutes na lang. Thank you all so much for watching this live.
Thank
I
you,
hope
thank
everyone
you.
gets
Arigato gozaimasu.
arigato
Thank you.
gozaimasu. Itadakimasu. Ay, wag mo na yan.
Itadakimasu.
End na po kayo. Hindi na kami will be ending this
Bye-bye.
in 1 minute. 8:58.
Naiinig na ako.
Thank you all so much. And also, vote us in Kids Choice Awards. So, SB19 po for your support. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you all soon. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.